happening, guys? Pardon the sniffles. Yeah, so today we've got something that I didn't expect to be getting, but I contacted CTS to do the N55 Boss Turbo. Obviously, a lot of people have had issues with the manifold because they will crack in the middle. I've got a picture or a couple videos of it. It literally, after a couple heat cycles, it forms a massive crack in the middle of it. So I contacted them through their website, and I also contacted them again on email. And it took a while, but through another friend of mine that had the same issue with me, I contacted them saying that, yeah, I've experienced the same issue, and they sent a revision for the manifold. So yeah, let me just open it up so you can have a look. Oh, so this is the new one. I'm sure I can just reuse all of the bolts that I had prior, but yeah, it's very fucking sturdy in comparison to the one previously sent. It's a lot better of a finish, for sure. This was where, on the previous design, the manifold would crack. So, just even feeling it, feels a lot sturdier. So, yeah, this should be going on the car in the next week or so. But yeah, it's good news for the CTS boys, isn't it? The guys are already running their N55s with this. Hopefully you can actually up the boost to what their reported figures are. But yeah, so I've got a plan of what I'm going to do. Obviously I've got another turbo for it, for the car, but that requires an actual different manifold. So I was gonna go with a bigger turbo, which I've already got, which I'm probably still gonna do, but I'm gonna put this manifold on, see how it runs, and then see where to go from there. But yeah, this is gonna be a short video, guys, just for an update. Hopefully by next week I'll be able to tell you how the car runs. But yeah, take it easy.